Would you like to hand bead cherries all over an upcycled dress from old jeans? Hello, my name is Sunju and welcome back to Upcycle Clothing Designer. In this channel, I share easy ways to refashion clothing using thrifted clothes, vintage clothing, and remnant fabric scraps. Check my tutorials how I transform old clothes into brand new clothes. A link to my website is in the description below. I'm so excited to share this tutorial with you today. If you like my beaded bag project from before, you will love this one too. I'm challenging you to make a beaded dress from white denim jeans. We're going to add a hand-beaded cherry motifs all over the front of a summer dress. In this video, I show how to make a dress from old jeans and also how to add beading to clothing. So download the cherry beading template from my website and let's get started. For this cherry beaded dress from old jeans tutorial, start by flipping the denim jeans inside out. Draw a straight line across at the crotch and cut off both pant legs. Next, completely cut off the overlock stitches along the inseam and outseam. To make the front center of the dress, use the front leg from the old jeans. Fold the piece in half lengthwise. To make the front piece neckline, measure 3 inches away from the folded edge. Then, measure 3 inches down the side of the folded edge. To make the bust dart, measure 4 inches away from the folded edge. To make the front piece waistline, measure 9 inches down the side of the folded edge. Then, measure 3.5 inches away from the folded edge. To make the front piece hemline, measure 9 inches down from the waistline. Then, measure 5 inches away from the folded edge along the bottom opening. Draw a smooth line to connect the points of the front center dress piece. Add 1/2 inch seam allowance on all sides. And cut along the line. To make the front sides of the dress, invert the measurements of the front center piece. To make the side piece neckline, measure 1 inch away from the edge and 3 inches down the side. To make the armhole, measure 6 inches along the top edge. To measure the side piece waistline, measure 9 inches down the side of the folded edge. Then, measure 1 inch away from the edge. To make the side piece hemline, measure 9 inches away from the seam line. Draw a smooth curved line around the bust to connect the neckline and armhole with the waistline. Draw a straight line down the hemline. Use your body measurements to adjust the sizing to properly fit your bust, waistline, hips, and hemline. I have built a detailed guide to take body measurements for clothes. The link is in the description below. Copy the front side piece onto another leg piece of the original old jeans. To make the back bottom of the dress, use the remaining leg piece from the old jeans. Use a seam ripper to open up the hem. Fold the leg piece in half and cut along the folded line. To make the bottom back center pieces of the dress, use the bottom piece of the pant leg. Fold the piece in half lengthwise and cut along the folded line. To make the bottom back side pieces of the dress, use the top piece of the pant leg. Fold the piece in half lengthwise, trim off the excess, and cut along the folded line. To make the top back of the dress, use the hip area from the old jeans. To make the top back center pieces of the dress, measure a piece that is 4 inch by 6.5 inch. To make the top back side pieces of the dress, measure a piece that is 5.5 inch by 7.5 inch. Copy the top back pieces onto the other hip of the old jeans. To add beaded cherries to the front of the dress, print and cut out the cherry pattern from my website. Use a water erasable marker to trace the cherry pattern onto the front dress pieces. Cut a 1 foot long piece of thread. Thread a needle and tie a knot at one end of the thread. Poke the needle through the center of the cherry from the back side of the fabric. Pull the thread all the way through to the knot on the back side. Add a bead and then return the needle through the fabric from the front to the back to lock the bead in place. Again, pass the needle from the back to the front of the fabric, add a bead, and lock the bead in place by stitching to the back side. Keep the beading close together by spiraling the beads in a tight circular pattern. Double knot the thread to complete each part of the beaded cherry. Each beaded cherry has 2 cherries, 2 stems, and 1 leaf. 22 beaded cherries decorate the front of the dress from old jeans. To make the front of the dress, Join the side pieces to the center piece with the right sides facing together. To make the top back of the dress, join the top back side pieces to the top back center pieces with the right sides facing together. To make the bottom back of the dress, join the bottom back side pieces to the bottom back center pieces with the right sides facing together. To make the back of the dress, join the bottom back pieces to the top back pieces with the right sides facing together. To attach the front of the dress to the back of the dress, sew along the side seams with the right sides facing together. To add a zipper to the beaded cherry dress, use a seam ripper to remove the original zipper from the old jeans. Pin the zipper to the top center back opening of the dress. Use a zipper foot to sew both sides of the zipper in place. To hem the dress, fold 1/4 inch and hem the top and bottom opening. To make shoulder strap for the dress, use the hip area from the old jeans. Cut 4 separate 1 inch by 11 inch straps. Attach 2 straps together to make an extra long strap. Fold the extra long straps in half lengthwise and stitch along the edge. Use scissors to cut off the excess seam allowance. Then, flip the shoulder straps inside out with a loop turner. To attach the shoulder straps to the dress, pin the straps to high point of the shoulder, also to the back piece. Sew the shoulder straps in place to finish the cherry beaded dress from old jeans. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this cherry beaded dress from old jeans inspires you to create more exciting clothing for your upcycle wardrobe. Grab the free cherry pattern and follow the step-by-step instructions on my website. A link is in the description below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share your beaded cherry dress with me on Instagram at Upcycle Clothing Designer. Leave a comment below and share what project you'd like to see next. See you in the next tutorial. Bye!